Understanding basic concepts of sociology. Society is a collection of individuals united by certain relations or mode of behavior, which marks them off from others who do not enter into these relations or who differ from them in behavior. Morris Ginsburg. Society is a system of usages and procedures, authority and mutual aid, of many groupings and divisions, of controls of human behavior and of liberties. McKeever and Page. The term society refers not to a group of people, but to the complex pattern of norms of interaction that arise among group of people and between them. Lapierre. Society is the union itself, the organization, the sum of formal relations in which the associating individuals are bound together. Giddings. If we analyze these definitions, it will appear that these fall under two types. Functional definition, which views society as a process, and 2. The structural definition, which views society as a structure. From the functional point of view, society is defined as a complex of groups in reciprocal relationship, interacting upon one another, enabling human organisms to carry on their life activities and helping each person to fulfill his wishes and accomplish his interests in association with his fellows. The structure of a human society is similar to the structure of a building, which has three components. 1. The building materials such as bricks, mortar, beams and pillars. 2. All these are arranged in a definite order and are placed in relationship to one another. And 3. All these put together make a building one unit. Thus, the term social structure refers to the way the various parts are organized and follow stable patterns of collective rules, roles and activities. Although the structure itself remains invisible, it silently shapes our actions. The basic elements of social structure which guides our actions are statuses, social roles, norms and values. Status is usually defined as the rank or position of a person in a group or of a group in relation to other group. In fact, some sociologists prefer to use the term position instead of status. A status is a set of privileges and duties. Status, thus, is the socially defined location or place which an individual occupies in a system of interaction or society. Role is the behavior expected of one who holds a particular status. Each person may hold a number of statuses and be expected to fill roles appropriate to them. A role is the acting out of this set of duties and privileges. Ralph Linton, in his famous work, The Study of Man, has referred to role as dynamic aspect of the status and argued that a role is the totality of all the cultural patterns associated with a particular status. Norms, the perceived informal, mostly unwritten rules that define acceptable and appropriate actions within a group or community, thus guiding human behavior. It is a preferred course of action. Values refer to intangible qualities or beliefs accepted and endorsed by a given society. Value is a belief that something is good and worthwhile. It defines what is worth having and worth striving. Haralimbos. Society is the complex of organized associations and institutions within the community. G.D.H. Cole. An association may be defined as an organization deliberately formed for the collective pursuit of some interest, a set of interests which its members share. McKeever and Page. Wherever the members of any group, small or large, live together in such a way that they share the basic conditions of a common life, then such a group may be called a community. According to Taunis, community is defined as an organic, natural kind of social group, whose members are bound together by the sense of belonging, created out of everyday contacts covering the whole range of human activities. We can list out the characteristics of a community as follows. 1. Territory. 2. close and informal relationships. 3. Mutuality. 4. Common values and beliefs. 5. Organized interaction. 6. Strong group feeling. 7. Cultural similarity.